It's been about 9 months now, I think, since I tried my second. I think it was my second attempt to get my TBS Capirinha 2 to fly and go into the air, and it didn't work. So I did a good job of smashing it into the ground again. So I've done a bod repair probably about 6 months or so ago now, and I just kind of left it on the shelf so I could kind of get emotionally detached from it. So now I'm pretty much feeling like I have no love or care for this wing right now. So as soon as I've got a day off, I'm going to have another go at see if I can get to fly. And if it doesn't work, well, I'm just going to fly until either the battery runs out or it just smashes into smithereens, or maybe it does work. So yep, let's wait for it to stop raining a bit and get it out of the boot and see how we get on. If it doesn't work, I've got my eye on another wing that is considerably cheaper and hopefully a little bit easier to fly, so we'll see. Okay, so it stopped raining for a brief minute. I'm not going to bother trying with any FPV gear because it's just all about trying to see if I can get it in the air. So here things are in terms of how it looks. So a real gangster patch job, but hopefully we might get something, I don't know. Oh my god, the adrenaline. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It flew and then it crashed. But I mean, I crashed it. So it flew. It was pretty damn fast. I needed more room, so I was a bit worried. So I cut the throttle and it's quite hard to see orientation. So instead of gliding it down for a nice landing, it just nosedived straight into the ground, and yeah, kind of came apart a bit. So yeah, not good. I just noticed I lost the FPV camera, so yeah. So pop this back in the boot, then we'll see if we can find the FPV camera and talk about whether we should try again or just go with something different. Right, so I'm looking for this camera. I should be an expert at crashing these things now and checking that I've got everything before I walk away from the crash site, because now I can't exactly remember where it was. But yeah, so I mean, it actually flew, which is fantastic. The non so fantastic bit was that I crashed it, but I don't know, should I that's kind of looking at a needle in a haystack, I think. But should I, what do you think in the comments? Do you think I should rebuild it? I don't know, because it's just a lot of money every time I keep ditching it. And I think if I'd had the FPV gear on, I think I would have been alright. Because it was gliding quite well when I cut the throttle, so it actually flew well once it was up in the air, which is an impressive thing. Yeah, I don't know, super short video really, and not really that much to show you. I'll see if I can find this camera. At least that was the cheapish part. What do you think I do? Should I rebuild it again? It's hundreds of pounds, isn't it? Or just go with something else? I'll have a think whilst I find this this camera, and then finish up. Oh yes, I found it. So I'm just going to check all the other parts to make sure that was the only bit that came off. Looked like it. Good stuff. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.